What's up, y'all? It is Saturday, April 6th. I'm gonna show you what's going on in my world. We are absent Russell. He is on vacation with his family. He will be out next week, so it'll mainly be me. Possibly Jake if he's in or can show something. Right now it'll just be me. So gonna get you caught up with what's going on in my world. All the sheaves were done. I apologize for not showing you them. Customer came right after I was done and let them know, picked them up, ran out of here. So we are now into this month's refurbs and customs. I have two customs that I've got aside on some steel. I will show you that stuff Tuesday, just the profiles. But right now I've got a couple of refurbs. Small little rehandle that we're gonna be doing. This is an old older lady's mom's peeler. And it's a crazy looking peeler. It's definitely an Asian culture thing that her and her mother had. So this is something I'm just going to try and help make a little bit more secure as far as the handle attachment goes. Hopefully I can be a little bit more successful with that. And this customer had it was a very cheap plasticky handle on here with a guard and everything. And I was assuming it was going to be an easy rehandle and just replicate the guard. Then I found out this is my tang. That's not a good amount of tang to work with, especially if you're going to be making a guard taking up a good chunk of that. I've got very little to attach the rest of the handle to. So I'm going to contact the customer, let them know I'm going to have to weld an extension in order to basically get a more secure grip on the rest of the handle and then be able to go forward from there. That cutting out the customs, that's going to be the majority of my day as well as whatever else comes in. It is Saturday, so I do tend to think it's going to be a little bit busier. Jake will be in a little bit here in just a little bit to help me out. Do have some online orders to take up, some admin things, get that started, and then right on into the day. I'm not going to go into the showroom, but we are going to cover a new knife today that Russell just got in stock yesterday. It is one of the ones I was working on a side with. It is the Magna Cut Nakiri. So a beautiful Magna Cut Nakiri, Magna Cut stainless steel made by Crucible. You've got hidden tang to reduce the weight in the handle, so it makes it nice and head heavy, allowing you to chop a little bit easier because the weight of the knife does a lot of work. Beautiful hand rub finish that Russell did on Magna Cut, which is a little bonkers, but beautiful handle as well. Red and black G10 spacers you see right there in between the antler and Usyk. Usyk is a fossilized walrus bone, fossilized, petrified, whatever you'd like to call that. But very, very nice, good grip. I enjoy this a lot. It's very smooth, beautiful, nice high-end stuff. You guys have any questions, you know what to do. Take a look online. That's basically gonna be it. He also finished another knife, but I'm gonna cover that Tuesday, so I have some content for you there. Gonna wrap it up here so it's not too long. You guys all have a great weekend. I see nice weather outside, so enjoy it if you get a chance. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.